Ready to play crypto, 3 truths and 1 lie? Here's how it works. There are 7 rounds. Can you spot the lie in each round? You have 3 seconds of thinking time for each statement. Round 1, number 1. Cryptocurrencies aren't issued or controlled by any government or central bank. 2. Crypto transactions are processed instantly without banking hours or holidays. 3. To send or receive crypto, you must get approval from your country's banking system. 4. Crypto allows direct peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Which is the lie? The lie is number 3. Crypto transactions don't need approval from any government or banking authority. They rely instead on blockchain technology, a public digital ledger maintained by thousands of computers worldwide. This decentralization lets people across the globe access and use money without gatekeepers. Round 2, question 1. The first real-world purchase with Bitcoin was for 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins in 2010. 2. You can only buy Bitcoin in whole coins. Partial coins aren't allowed. 3. Bitcoin has a maximum supply limit of 21 million coins. 4. Bitcoin transactions are recorded permanently on a public blockchain. Which is the lie? The lie is number 2. You can buy fractions of a Bitcoin called Satoshis. 1 Bitcoin equals 100 million Satoshis. This allows anyone to participate, even with very small amounts of money. Round 3. Question 1. Crypto wallets securely manage your digital currencies and transactions. 2. Wallets store your access keys, not the actual cryptocurrencies themselves. 3. Wallets can be digital apps or physical devices stored offline. 4. If your wallet app is deleted, your crypto disappears forever. Which is the lie? The lie is number 4. Your crypto isn't stored directly in your wallet app. It's actually recorded permanently on a blockchain network. A wallet simply holds your private keys, giving you access to your crypto. Deleting the app won't make your crypto disappear as long as it's properly backed up. However, if you lose your recovery phrase, which is a string of words you receive when you set up your wallet, similar to a master password, you will lose access to your funds associated with that wallet. Round 4, question 1. NFT stands for non-fungible token, a unique digital token proving ownership of digital items like digital art, music, and collectibles. 2. NFTs record ownership permanently on a blockchain, verifying authenticity and history. 3. When you buy an NFT, you automatically receive the full copyright for the digital content. 4. You can purchase real estate using NFTs. Which is the lie? The lie is number 3. Owning an NFT doesn't automatically grant copyright. Typically, NFTs only prove your ownership of a digital asset on the blockchain. The original creator generally retains intellectual property rights. Because of this, the NFT is still subject to copyright law. Round 5, number 1. Bitcoin is often considered digital gold due to its scarcity and value storage. 2. Ethereum was the first blockchain designed to support smart contracts and decentralized applications. 3. XRP primarily enables fast, inexpensive cross-border payments between banks. 4. Solana's primary purpose is as a secure store of value similar to Bitcoin. Which is the lie? The lie is number 4. Bitcoin is primarily a store of value and a digital currency. Solana, on the other hand, is a blockchain platform designed for building decentralized applications with low fees and high speeds. Round 6, number 1. Crypto is primarily used by criminals. 2. People use crypto for sending international payments quickly and affordably. 3. Crypto can help protect people's savings in countries facing hyperinflation. 4. Creators and artists use crypto to sell directly to audiences, bypassing traditional intermediaries. Which is the lie? The lie is number 1. In the early days, cryptocurrency's ties to the dark web and the pseudonymous nature of blockchain, where transactions are publicly recorded but the identities behind them remain hidden, attracted criminal activity. Today, however, most transactions are considered legitimate, and governments are actively cracking down on illicit use. And the final round, round 7. Question 1. El Salvador is the only country that currently recognizes Bitcoin as legal tender. 2. Many countries require individuals to report crypto earnings in tax filings. 3. Crypto regulations and laws are standardized and identical across all countries. 4. Governments classify crypto differently, as property, currency, or commodities, depending on the jurisdiction. Which is the lie? The lie is number 3. Crypto regulations vary dramatically worldwide. There's no global standard, with some nations banning crypto completely, others regulating heavily, and some maintaining relaxed attitudes. Were you able to spot the lies? Remember, it's not about getting it all right, but enjoying the process of getting it. Want to learn more about crypto? Then continue the Triple Plays series, 1 concept, 3 ways to learn, by watching the explainer video Crypto from Ha to Aha in under 5 minutes, as well as playing the What's a Crypto Crossword challenge, all words, no cross. And if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more learning without the lecture. Until next time.